Hello everyone, this is Shraddha from Our Education, and today I'm here to make you aware with some laws and rights which must be known by every Indian citizen. Indian Constitution has provided so many rights to the people to protect their fundamental rights, but unfortunately most people are not aware of their rights. These rights are provided in different provisions of Indian Constitution and subsequent laws. So let's talk about some of the rights and laws. The first one is Motor Vehicle Act 1988, Section 185 202. At the time of driving, if your 100 ml blood contains more than 30 mg of alcohol, then the police can arrest you without a warrant. The second one, Criminal Procedure Code Section 46. No woman cannot be arrested before 6 am and after 6 pm. The third one is Indian Penal Code 166A. A police officer can't refuse to lodge an FIR if he/she does, so they could be jailed for up to 6 months to 1 year. Motor Vehicle Act 1988. As per Section 129 of the Indian Motor Vehicle Act, wearing the helmet is a must for two-wheelers riders. Section 128 of this Motor Vehicle Act limits the maximum 2 riders on the bike. This law also says that if the traffic police officer snatches the key from the car or motorcycle, it is illegal. You have the full right to launch a legal proceeding against the officer. Indian Saris Act 1887. Even any 5-star hotel can't prohibit you from drinking potable water and using its washrooms. Domestic Violence Act 2005. If a young boy and a girl want to live together in a live-in relationship, they can do so because it is not illegal. Even the newborn from this relationship is also a legal son or daughter, and this newborn have the full right in the asset of his/her father. Police Act 1861. A police officer is always on duty whether he/she wearing a uniform or not. If a person makes a complaint to the officer, he/she could not say that he can't help the victim because he/she is not on duty. Maternity Benefit Act 1961. No company can fire a pregnant woman. It may be punishable by a maximum of 3 years of imprisonment. If the company, government or private, has more than 10 employees, then the pregnant woman employee is eligible to get 84 days paid maternity leave. For more such information and knowledge, stay connected with us, subscribe to our channel and like and share the information with your friends and family. Thank you.